Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to customize control center's layout on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. When you swipe up your device screen like this, and then you can see the arrangement of some app icons. So how can you change the arrangement in the control center? You can watch this video till the end. The first step is please tap the three dots here. After that, you can select edit buttons, and you can change the arrangement in the control center as you wish. There are two sections. The first section is for icons that don't appear in the control center, and then the second part is for icons that appear in the control center. So to move it, you can long press the icon and then move it like this. Okay, and then the arrangement of the control center on your device has been successfully customized. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change the arrangement of the control center on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.